a very popular item in the southern part of India. However, knowing me, we ain't going to make that. We're going to modernize it with some sage and onion. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon as we get to creating a modern twisted version of an old school classic, but with a fantastic plum and tomato salad. This wondrous creation comes alive with a fantastic marination, and that goes with a bulb of ginger sliced, 4 whole green chilies for that spice and heat, along with a tablespoon of black peppercorns, 8 cloves, 4 cardamoms going in. So I've taken a handful of garlic peeled, so that goes in as well, along with the bulb of 3 onions. So just put that in. I've just quartered the onion. I don't want to waste too much of time because we're going to blitz this baby up. And finally, a handful of sage from my very own garden. Put this in and get ready to blitz. Now, while a chicken ghee roast is always cooked in layers, modernizing it allows you to take happy shortcuts. The trick is in that marination, the flavors are intact. Now is the time to marinate the chicken. So out here I've got a kg to a kg 200 grams of chicken legs and thighs. Pieces that are acceptable to the family at home. Into that I'm going to marinate it with some celery sea salt. Since we are modernizing it, use flavorful salts as well. So fine sprinkle of that. Celery sea salt always balances out the flavor that sage and onion bring to this creation. So a fine sprinkle of it. And finally all you need to do is dump that gorgeous marination into the chicken. Mix it and allow it to sit on the side for a good 4 to 5 minutes. And in the meantime, let's get to spluttering some sage. For the uninitiated, ghee is nothing but clarified butter. So if you do not have ghee readily available, just take some yellow salted butter, allow it to melt in a pan, and remove all the foam that settles on the top. Nice and hot. Into this goes 2 whole red chilies. I'm using the dehydrated kind, the Kashmiri kind. Along with that goes nearly a bulb of ginger cut into the finest of juliennes. Just allow them to splutter. And finally, a medium-sized handful of some sage leaves. Just put that in. Bask in the glory that the scent brings to your kitchen with a slight swirl here and there. Ghee somehow manages to work wonders with sage, ginger and this gorgeous marination. So I'm just going to place the chicken in and allow it to slow cook to perfection. Every last bit of that gorgeous marination going in, and we're just going to allow this to slow braise or slow roast to perfection. Stirring it occasionally once or twice. While the chicken does release a bit of its juices out, it's perfect to mix with the marinade and form that coating consistency right on top. With that done, it's time to create a fantastic tomato salad. Tomatoes, plums, feta cheese, pistachios. What could get any better? This is a simple salad styled up to the next level. So just some quartered tomatoes cut perfectly and the pulp and the seeds from within removed, attractively arranged on a long white platter. White and red work really wonders out here. These salads happen really fast, and the joy about them is that you just pair them with great combinations to exude their charm. So plums, and now it's plum season, so what fun to use this in great combinations. So just cut them similarly 1 by 3, garnishing them with some sprigs of coriander just to shine through and through. Just place these randomly, making the entire thing look so pretty. A perfect salad, and more importantly a work of art. So get a little artsy out here while creating this beautiful creation. chunks of feta, so go as liberal as you can handle. So while I'm adding feta out here because I just had it in the fridge, you could also add some ricotta, add some cottage cheese and create a version of this. So I've taken nearly 50 grams of feta cheese and just crumbling it on top. I like the chunks to shine through. I'm just going to sprinkle some toasted pistachios on top just to bring that color through and through and give it a bit of crunch in a salad so fresh and refreshing. A fine sprinkle of some beautiful black truffle salt, very little because the feta is overtly salty. And finally, raw hemp seed oil, a fine drizzle on top, just to bring everything out really well. To be honest with you, this can be lunch all by itself. 25 minutes of allowing this gorgeous creation to cook on the slowest possible simmer. This sage and onion ghee roast chicken is ready. It's now all about plating and enjoying a decadent meal. This sage and onion ghee roast chicken is always served with a paratha because it just brings out the true essence and flavor. That gorgeous salad always works wonders through and through. Garnishing this doesn't need anything but those gorgeous Kashmiri red chilies that we had used while sauteing it. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. The flavors are modern yet so true to the essence. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.